Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. As the country awaits the job description for members of parliament along with the mechanism to measure their performance, one MP is questioning how the process will work. Mikhail Phillips argues that it will highlight weaknesses in government services that MPs eventually handle for citizens. Jamaica Maitland explains.
Could the performance mechanism for politicians be unfair to some members of parliament is the question being asked by MP for Manchester North Western Mikhail Phillips. Mr. Phillips says while MPs receive fundings for projects, it's inequitable based on the need of constituencies. For example, the $1 million allocation for drain cleaning.
For the whole constituency of North West Manchester. And when the roads mash up because we don't get any proper funding to clean the drains, and constituents come down on us that we are not doing the job.
Mr. Phillips, who was speaking at a PNP divisional conference, says his constituency office is overwhelmed with requests for social assistance, many of them offered via government programs. However, the bureaucratic processes as well as the fear of being rejected have forced constituents back to his office.
If somebody wants to get a benefit from Ministry of Labour, they feel as if they go to the Ministry of Labour, they're not going to get through. So they come to the MP office because they figure say if it comes from the MP office, the chances of him getting through is greater. That's not supposed to stay so.
And although some of the $20 million allocation from the Constituency Development Fund can be used to fulfill those requests, he says it does affect other well-needed projects.
We like to stand in Parliament and make grand announcements as if we are doing things that are advancing the people, when it is just tokenism in some instances. So I want to know how it is that the Prime Minister proposed that he's going to have performance ratings for members of Parliament when the state itself is failing the people. Because a lot of what MPs do, the state should be doing, and because of the failure of the state, MPs have to be doing what the state is doing.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.